here at my favorite sushi place. I haven't been here for a while now. So I ordered something different. I ordered like a assorted fish rice don, like all raw. I'm excited to try that. This is my favorite fish in Gawa. I did not expect it to be this big. Wow. This is so worth it for $20. Hot miso soup. I don't know what that is. Probably garlic stuff. Thank you. Make a special bite. Okay. We put on rice. And then we put a bit of soy sauce. Wasabi. Salmon. And uni. Too bad.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.
We're gonna go look at sofa today at Silver Water. Well guys, I am currently at my partner's site. Like, he's opening a golf simulator with a couple of his friends, but the furniture place that I went to is close by this area, which is why I came here. But it was a letdown. It looked nothing like the one on the website, so I'll put a picture. This is what I wanted. This is how it looks like. I mean, there's some similarities, but the color of the wood is so off. There, the price is not that expensive, which is why I didn't really expect much, but it was just like kind of different. So it's always good to go look at furniture, especially pieces that you think you want to invest in. And sofa is one of those pieces that I really want to put time and money to look for it. But let's just try to look for more. I walked 20 minutes from the site. Wow, so much furniture. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna start looking. This is super soft. It's $2,000. That was good. I'm glad I came and looked at the sofa, because it does not look like how, like, it's really important to try it on, and I fell in love with like a couple. Now I kind of can narrow it down, and it's on sale, really good price. So I will marinate, talk to my partner about it, and see where it goes. But yeah, super excited to get all of it. Now I'm gonna Uber home. Should I walk or Uber home? It's gonna be another 20-minute walk. You know what? I'm gonna walk. I actually ordered a sofa this past weekend, so it's gonna come soon. But right now I'm just sitting on the floor. So I got my sofa from Lounge Lover. I went there to look at it, and it was like so cute.
What does that be about it?
I'm happy we made it.
Okay, which one you guys want there?
tried taking a nap on it on the couch and chef kiss. It's so comfortable. This one.
Where's that from?
That's on. And it's super cute. Very like
really cute.
big. You know what? Usually most tank top I can't wear the bra, but this one at the back, you don't see the bra, which I really like.
I'm looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing.
I'm gonna go shower now and sleep because tomorrow I need to wake up really early. I have a meeting at 9:30 until whatever. So it's gonna be a busy night. So, good night.